I got two lipsticks of the same brand. I can't believe it. Amazon should change their packaging, actually, is what I feel. This is how the packaging is. I don't want to comment on that. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video this is going to be my unboxing video. I just love unboxing, and all these packages are from Amazon. So around 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes, I mean like 6 packages, and yeah, there are actually 3 packages and 3 boxes, and more are yet to come. But I know what I had ordered, but I don't know on which package what is there. So we are quickly going to check out, and let's get started with the video. So the first one is something like this. Now this is like a plastic kind of thing. I really don't know what is there in this, and the thing is, like, I know what I have ordered, but there's nothing mentioned on it, so we are going to just cut it off. Okay, so this is how the packaging is. I don't want to comment on that. And okay, so these are basically the green tea oil absorbing paper. Like, I had seen a lot of reviews on this, and these are like basically the bloating papers to get rid of the excess oil. So I had ordered for myself, and this is how the packaging is. You all can see. I will definitely make a review on this, like how to use it and like how it is. So right now you all can see I've just unboxed it, so I can't really comment on this, but this is what I had got from Amazon. The price would be tagged in the description box below, or maybe somewhere on the screen, so y'all can check the link in the description box. So moving ahead with the next one is this package. Now this one is, again, I don't know, there's nothing mentioned on it, so we are just quickly going to open it. Okay, so these are basically the foot tape, I would say, to avoid blisters. I had got some new shoes and I got very bad blisters. Like, that's my everyday story. I get blisters every time I wear something like new shoes. So these are the tapes that I had ordered for myself, and since now it's rainy season, I just thought of, like, I can't wear socks now, so I'll be using this, and I'm definitely going to share a review for this one as well. Till now you can see the packaging is something like this, and yeah, the price would be somewhere displayed on the screen. So don't forget to check the link in the description box below. Moving on to the next one, I have here, I think the boxes I'll open later. I just open the last package, which is like this, and then we are going to move on with the unboxing of the box. So let's just open this one. Okay, so these are the invisible double-sided body and clothing tape, which is called as a fashion tape. And I know the uses of this, that if you're wearing something like with a deep neck and just to, like, you know, so that the top is, like, you know, stuck to your body, like something like that, so you can always use this fashion tape. I will definitely show a demo of this, maybe in a short, or maybe a normal video. I can do a dedicated video for this one only. So these are the fashion tapes that I got. They say that there are around 36 stripes in it, so let's just see. Like, I don't know, like the way they had shown on it and now right now the way I have got it is a little different, so I am now little curious to know how it will be. So this is about the invisible double-sided body clothing tape. So yeah, the next one, now moving ahead, is the boxes. I have 3 boxes now, and again, nothing is mentioned. I really don't know. Okay, so these are earlobe support patches, that is for earrings, especially if you are wearing some big heavy earrings, just to give protection to your ears and to avoid the red color blister that you get on your ear. So these are those ear patches. They are exactly similar to the pimple patches that you get. So these are like this, and I don't know if you can see. Okay, so they say it's like around, I don't know the number of patches that are there in this, but I'm definitely excited to use this one because I think every girl should have this. Okay, so this is also done. Now moving on to the next box as this one. Amazon should change their packaging, actually, is what I feel. Okay, these are basically the shoe cushions, and basically again to avoid blisters, and just to put it just behind the shoe, and so that y'all can avoid blisters and y'all can walk comfortably. So these are the heel liners, actually they are called HD heel liners. So this is how I got them. The last package is basically this one. Now this is, I really don't know, like I know they are like lipsticks, but I don't know why Amazon has given me such a big box. So let's just quickly unbox it. A bill, and honestly speaking, there are only 3 lipsticks in this. Okay, not 3, there's one more also. Okay, there are 4 lipsticks in this box, such a big box, and 4 lipsticks. So this is the one from Blue Heaven, and then I have the other one. This is from Mars, and I have more too. This is again from Blue Heaven. Oh, I got 2 of Blue Heavens. Okay, I got 2 of Blue Heaven lipsticks, and this is from Rennie. So this is like for rupees 199. Too small, I feel. Okay, so I mean, like the way it was displayed on screen, definitely it was not like that, but yes, I can definitely use it. So this is going to be my first purchase from Rennie, and the Blue Heaven and Mars and all these products I have used before, but Rennie one would be the first one I'm going to use. So anyways, so I am going to share a detailed review of all these products, and I will share with you guys whether they are worth buying or not, and the links will be tagged in the description box below. Y'all can check it out. And yes, this was all for today. If you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.